Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Lehman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2018 Pacifica Limited, white in color. Got 20-inch wheels on it. It's a pretty nice little van. It's got the license plate bracket in the back of it. Here's a look at the left front tire. They're all in that condition. I want to say this has got 11,000 miles on it. Roof rack, of course. Got power sliders, power rear gate. Body condition's really, really nice. Got backup sensors, backup camera. Got rear video in it. It's a nice car. So it's got a power lift gate. Looking inside. Got the power fold seats in the rear. Full-size spare. Get the headphones down below here. Power slider. This is an 8-passenger van. Got a center kind of an armrest. This one's down as an armrest. It folds up as a seat. It also comes out. It's got Stow-N-Go here. Got rear video, of course. It's on both of the seats. Got menu, seats, programmable, power fold mirrors, power seat. They're leather, they're heated and they're cooled. Let me show you more about it. Looking inside, got AM, FM, satellite radio, media controls, climate controls are here. You can move it up or down from the bottom of the dash, or you can move it up or down from here also. Got the heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Got the navigation. You know, it's even got points of interest in it. So if I want to find some gas or if I want to look for restaurants, it gives me the closest restaurants around to where we're at. Bluetooth for the phone, of course. This one's got 11,086 miles on it. Steering wheel controls on the side, looks in the center of the dash. Bluetooth on this side. Of course, got automatic headlights. This is dash brights and dim. That's a nice van. Doesn't smell like smoke. It's a nice one. Call me on it. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Lehman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.